This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by making sure you're in the right app and signed in. If you're on desktop, open Outlook. If you're on the web, go to Outlook. Com and sign in. Once done, check the top right corner for your profile icon. That's where many settings live. Make sure your account sync is complete so preferences stick. Now navigate directly to the main settings area instead of digging through menus. This saves time and prevents toggling the wrong theme. Now change the theme where your Outlook version exposes it. On desktop, go to File, choose Options, then General and set Office Theme to black. This applies dark colors across Outlook. On the web, click the gear icon, then either select a dark theme or flip the dark mode toggle. Make sure Always Use My Settings is active. On mobile, open Settings, find Appearance or Theme, and select Dark. These steps modify backgrounds, reading pane, and compose windows for lower eye strain. Finish by restarting the app or refreshing the browser so all elements update. If message bodies remain light, enable any separate reading pane dark mode or switch high contrast options within Outlook. Some attachments and HTML emails inherit their own styles and need manual adjustment. Make sure your operating system dark mode is on if you want consistent results across apps. If problems persist, clear cache or check for updates. Outdated builds.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.